song. Turn around now, turn around now. I just want fun. I wanna turn around, dance.
Hi guys. So I'm in my friend's studio. We're gonna shoot some photos. It's my inspo. I'm coming from Glendale. I just drove like 50 minutes. 8 miles for 50 minutes is crazy, by the way, but it's LA. I was at the Galleria. I was making content with some people. It's a content day today.
What's up, guys? We at Playroom right now. Be careful with that. Two hands.
I won't drop it, I promise.
Do not drop it.
I promise.
Once my friend dropped my exact camera, that was like this. $1,600. I'm not gonna say any names.
So since we're working on a film camera, we have to change roles. So that's what he's doing right now.
Yeah, that's good. No, lean back. Yeah, lean
You
back.
said lean forward.
Nah, keep it T. Keep it T. Body T. Guys, we put in that work today. Put in that work, chat. This is my art.
You made that?
Yeah, this is my art.
Oh my god, what do you not do? You make music,
I don't sell
make
art.
art, take
don't
pictures.
sell
Like,
I
can I get
don't
your
sell
autograph?
Yes. This is like that WWE chair that you like, someone just flipped on. So watch out. Maybe put the chair over it a little more. Do a more dramatic pose. Look to the right.
I think I looked the other way.
Definitely look to the left. Guys, I think it's the heat.
Fit check.
A little bit of inspiration, a little bit. No, yeah, do that. Just do that. We'll see how they come out tomorrow.
Yes.
Look forward to it. And we might do a cool experimental video now. Let's see what we do. I don't know so far. A little more strut and then like smile.
Smile?
Yeah. No, step in the front. Do
Pose, and then walk
pose,
back.
and then walk back like full confidence. Action.
I like some are cute. I can see the inspo. We're done with the shoot. We got plenty of good photos.
I'm super excited. I like the heels. I like the fit. Good vibes, man.
And we made some creative videos, so we'll see how that turns out too. That's a wrap. So I'm done with my shoot. Today has been so crazy, but now I'm on my way to hang out with some friends and party all night. The shoot was so much fun. I can't wait. I've never had film pictures done before, so pretty excited. And then he made a creative video, so can't wait for that. He's a really good photographer, videographer, all the above, so can't wait. Bye guys.